Hello, friends. If your mind is stuck in repetitive thoughts, then this yoga flow is perfect for you. My name's Gillian, and I'll be guiding you through this yoga practice. We'll start out in child's pose. So reach your arms forward, sink your hips back, widen your knees out on the mat. Let your forehead sink down. Take some deep breaths. Inhale deeply and exhale, release. Maybe lengthen your breaths, connecting your mind to your breaths. And on your next inhale, you're going to rise up to tabletop position for cat-cow. Your shoulders will be over your wrists and your hips will be over your knees. Lift your chest, tilt your tailbone up, cow. Exhale, arch your spine, press through your hands, tuck your tailbone under for cat. Inhale, cow. And exhale, cat. Do this a few times at your own breath. You can do some movements, maybe make some circles, or maybe figure eights, whatever feels good for you. Just moving with your breath, doing what feels organic. If you're doing circles, switch directions. And come back to tabletop position. Widen your knees out on the mat. Lift your chest. Come forward onto your palms for that cow chest. And sink back into child's pose, dropping your hips back towards your heels. Inhale, come forward into cow chest. And exhale, sink back into child's pose. Repeat this at your own breath. Inhaling, come forward. And exhale, sink back. And return to neutral, tabletop position. Reach your arms forward for puppy dog pose. Keep your hips lifted above your knees. Drop your chest down. You can spread your fingers out on the mat, or maybe they're on the floor at this point. Let your shoulders open. Take another deep breath. And come forward into cobra pose. You'll drop your hips, lower your chest, bring your hands underneath your shoulders, and lift your chest. Inhale. And lower down, exhale. Inhale, cobra. And exhale, lower down. Do this a few times at your own breath. Inhaling as you rise and exhale as you lower down. And on the next exhale, you're going to tuck your toes under and lift up for downward facing dog. Press through your hands. You can walk your dog out, pressing one heel down at a time, swaying your hips side to side. You might be hearing some snap, crackle, and pops in your toes. And walk your feet forward. Come on down into a seat. And stretch your legs out in front of you for seated forward fold. Bring your arms up by your ears and tilt forward. Grabbing onto whatever you can. You can always rest your arms along your legs too. Palms face down is more grounding. So if you're going to do this, and that's what I suggest. You can also maybe grab onto your toes if you're feeling flexible today. Remembering to breathe. And rise up, plant your feet, and come on down onto your back. Bring the bottoms of your feet together, open up your knees for a reclined butterfly pose. Bring one hand to your belly, one hand to your heart, and feel your breath. Maybe extend your breath. And bring your knees up, plant your feet, and then hug your knees into your chest. You can grab onto the bottoms of your feet for happy baby pose. Rock side to side. Maybe straighten one leg out at a time. Just make this your own. And release this. Stretch your legs out on the mat. Stretch your arms out for final Savasana. Take a deep breath here and release. We'll be here for about a minute, but stay here as long as you can. And start to wake yourself up. Wiggle out your toes, wiggle out your fingers. Roll over onto your side and press yourself up. Come into a comfortable seat. Bring your hands to your heart. Thank you so much for joining me today and taking time to take care of yourself. Namaste.